Hi everyone, today we'll discuss about K-map simplification for Boolean functions. In the last class we discussed about how to simplify using 4 variable K-map without don't cares. Today we'll discuss about with don't cares. K-map simplification with don't cares. This is also important topic in STLD. Then go for one example. Directly I am taking example. In that I will explain what is the don't care, how we have to take, what are the left terms, what we have to consider, what we don't consider, like that I will explain. Then for example, first function f of a, b, c, d is equal to sigma m of 5, 6, 7, 12, 13 plus don't care terms are 4, 9, 14, 15. First, after seeing this problem, we have to take what are the number of variables. Check the number of variables. We have 4 variables. This is one way. If we will not mention variables a, b, c, d, directly you may give f is equal to, then in that which one is the maximum term? Maximum term is a 15. Here is the maximum term. Convert that into binary. Is nothing but 1, 1, 1, 1. Nothing but 4 variables. 4 bits we have. Nothing but 4 variable K-map we need. If he will not mention a, b, c, d, if he may give a, f is equal to sigma m of these minterms plus d of these minterms, then in those given all minterms, which one is the maximum number that we have to take, convert that into binary and find the total number of bits. Here total bits are 4. That's why 4 variable K-map we need. It is having 4 variables. Okay. Then I am taking 4 variable K-map. Variables are a, b, c, d, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. I think all of you know very well about the positions. This is 0th location, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, this is 12, 13, 14, 15. Locations already we know. Again I am writing that. Then after that you have to place all the minterms 5, 6, 7, 12, 13, 4, 9, 14, 15. All those we have to place. Okay. 1, 5. So 5 is where? This is 5. 1 and 6. 6 is this one. 1, 7. Where is 7? 7, 1. 12. Where is 12? 12 is 1. Next 13 is 1. 13 is 1. And where we have a don't cares, 4, 9, 14, 15. 4. Where we have 4, this is a 4. Don't care. Like this we have to indicate 9. 9 and 14, 15. 14 and 15. First we have to place all the minterms. If you have don't cares, place into like this. Okay, those are nothing but don't cares. Then we are going to form either octet or quad or pair or single terms. See here, what are the total number of minterms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 minterms are there. 9 minterms is nothing but there is a possibility for forming octet. First you can check for octet. Octet means 8 adjacent ones. Okay. See here, we have only 3 and 5 ones here. 5 ones and 3 don't cares. Okay. If it is forming octet by taking don't care as 1. By taking don't care as 1, no problem. You can take as octet. For example, if we have only 3 ones and we have one don't care. If it is forming quad, no problem. You can take that don't care as 1. That is the main intention. If there is no further ones and we have all 4 don't cares, leave it. All don't cares, no problem. That is the intention. For example, like this we have 4 don't cares. Don't form these 4 as one quad. Leave all those minterms, all those don't cares, no problem. For example, here we have 1. Okay, then you can check if you take all these ones as don't cares as 1, then there is a formation of quad. That's why compulsory you have to consider these don't cares as 1. Don't cares as 1 and form quad. Like that you have to observe. If you want, you can take If you don't want, you can leave it. That is the intention of don't care. Then see here I am forming one octet by considering don't cares as 1. If I am taking don't cares as 1, there is a formation of octet. Is it okay? Then check horizontal and vertical. Horizontally we have 0, 1, 1, 1. Okay, variables are AB. One line is 0, 1 and the second horizontal line is 1, 1. 1, 1. In those, which one is common? 0, here is 0, here is 1. That is not common. So this is common. 1 is common. 1 is nothing but that variable belongs to B. That's why B. And horizontally you can check 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Is there any common term? Common ones or common zeros are there in all 4 terms? No. So if all columns are there, then there is no common term. That's why directly you can take octet as B. So f of AB CD is equal to B. That is the simplification. Directly you may write expression as B. Okay, if octet is forming, one variable you will get. If quad is forming, 2 variables you will get. If pair is forming, we are getting 3 variables, like that. Okay, you can remember like that. So if octet is forming, 1 variable you will get. If quad is forming, 2 variables you will get. Okay, then here don't care left hand. We don't have any further min terms, ones. These are not there. If any further ones are there, then you can consider that don't care. If only don't cares are left, leave it that one. If don't care is left, leave it that one. Our main intention is to cover all the min terms, not don't cares. Okay, so final simplification is f is equal to b. That is one example. Then go for next example. Second example, f of w comma x comma y comma z is equal to sigma m of 0, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 plus sigma d of 2, 5, 13. Again, here also he has mentioned the variables w, x, y, z. That's why 4 variable k-map. Otherwise, you can go for the maximum number 13. Nothing but 1, 1, 0, 1. 4 bits we have 4 variable k-map. W, x, y, z 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Then place all the min terms 0, 7, 8, 9. If you want, you can take the positions. This is 0th location, first location, and third location, second location, 4, 5, 7, 6, 8, 9, 11, 10, 12, 13, 15, 14. If you want, you can take, no problem. If you perfect that, no need to take again those positions. Then 0, 7, 8, 9, I am placing all 0 and 7, 7, 1 and 8, 9, 1, 8, 1, 9, 1, then 10, 1, 12, 1, 10, 1 and 12, 1. Okay, then 2, 5, 13 are don't cares, 2, 5, 13 are don't cares. Okay, after that you have to check for any formation of octet or quad or anything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 min terms are there. There is a possibility for octet. See here, any 8 adjacent ones, there is no possibility. Then go for quad. Here, my intention is to cover all these min terms, not don't cares. Focus on these min terms. Okay, maximum number of ones where we are covering, that you have to observe. Let us see here. For example, I am taking this one. Here maximum number of ones are covered. 3 ones are covering. By covering these 3, we are going to form one quad. By taking don't care as 1, then there is a formation for quad. Then you can write the simplification. So 1, 1, 1, 0. Common is 1. That is belongs to W. And in the same manner, check for vertical manner. This is quad. Horizontally, vertically we have to check. Horizontally W, vertically 0, 0, 0, 1. Common is 0. Is nothing but y variable. That is y bar. Okay. W, Z. Y bar. So this is a capital. That's why I am writing again. wy bar. For this quad, wy bar. Then what are the minterms lifted? This one, second one, third one. Three ones are there again. What we have to check? Go for again, is there any formation for quad by covering maximum ones? Maximum ones. So here, what is the possibility for forming quad? Again you have to check. Here I am checking one possibility. This is corner ones. This is one and this is one. All corner ones we are going to take. If I am taking this don't care as one, we have 4 corners. In those 4 corners we have ones. That is also forming one quad. That's why I am taking that one. Horizontally 0 0 and 1 0. Common is x bar plus x bar into vertically what are the common terms in those 4 ones. Okay, 0 0 1 0. That is second variable is common 0. That is z bar. Z bar. Okay, these all ones are covered. Only this one is lifted. This one is lifted. Our main intention is to cover all these min terms. There is 7 is lifted. This 7 also we have to cover. Then by covering this one, is there any formation of quad, octet or pair or singleton? We have to check. Okay, there is no formation for quad. If you have one don't care or one here, there is a possibility. If you have ones or don't cares here, there is possibility. There is no possibility. That's why I am taking pair. Pair I am taking. Okay, why? Because we have to cover this. If I am taking this don't care as one, then there is a possibility for pair. Horizontally 0 1. Compulsory we have to take. 0 1 means w bar x plus w bar x, and vertically we have to check these two. These two. Why? Because pair. These 2 columns we have to take. 0 1 1 1. What is the common term? 1. 1 is belongs to z. Z. So f of w comma x comma y comma z is equal to w bar x bar z bar w bar x z. Okay, w y bar plus x bar z bar plus w bar x z x z. Okay, this is a simplification. Like this we have to check all the min terms. Then go for another example. For your understanding purpose I am giving all those. F of ABCD is equal to sigma 0 2 4 5 6 8 10 15 plus D of 7 13 14. Sigma means SOP, min terms. D means don't cares. Okay, so you may write sigma D, otherwise D. You may write sigma M or sigma, no problem. Then again here also 15 means 4 variable came up. Taking 4 variable came up. I am placing all these min terms, ones and zeros. Then here I am checking what are the possible combinations of quads or pairs or whatever it may be. Okay, then check that. Here maximum ones we have to cover. This is one possibility. Maximum ones we are covering. This is the quad. Here we are covering 1, 2, 3 min terms, 4 adjacent ones. If I am taking this don't care as 1, there is a formation of quad. Horizontally we have 0 1, nothing but this is a bar b into vertically all are covered 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. So there is no other terms. No term is common. No variable is common. Then what are the lifted terms? Here is 1, here is 1, here is 1, here is 1. All this we have to cover. So all 4 corners ones we have. That's why there is a formation for quad. Another quad we have to form. So these 4 corner ones are forming one quad. That's why horizontal lines 0 0 and 1 0. 0 0 and 1 0. Common term is 0. 0 belongs to B bar. B bar into vertically also we have to check. Horizontally and vertically we have to check. 0 0 1 0. Second variable 0 is common. That is D bar. D bar. D bar. Then is there any lifted terms? Only this one is lifted. Only this one is lifted. Okay, remaining all are covered. 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 ones covered. Only one term is there left out of 8. Okay, total out of all min terms we have only one term left that we have to cover here. See here again, this one we have to cover. By covering this one, is there any formation for quad or octet? We have to check. If there is any one or don't care, then there is a formation of octet, but there is no one or there is no don't care. That's why then go for quad. Here we have two possibilities for quad, whether you may take like this or you may take like this quad or this quad. Anyone you can take, no problem. Okay, if you take these this quad, then you will get another expression. If you take this quad, you will get another expression. No problem, both are correct. If you have any other method, that is also correct. But here our intention is to cover this one. Let us take, I am taking here last quad. This quad I am taking. What are the horizontal terms? When you consider these two don't cares as one, then this is a 4 adjacent ones quad. Horizontally 0 1 1 1, that is 1, nothing but B, and vertically 1 1 1 0, 1 belongs to C, BC. Finally, f of a comma b comma c comma d is equal to these all min terms, a bar b plus b bar d bar plus bc. A bar b plus b bar d bar plus bc. Like this, you can solve number of problems by using K-map without don't case and with don't case, or 4 variable or 5 variable or 3 variable or any number of variables up to 6. You can take any one up to 6 variable K-maps. You can solve SOP or POS. You may solve SOP or POS, without don't case and with don't case. Okay. For example, he may give C plus CD plus A bar BCD, like that he may give an example. Okay, simplify using K-map, like that he may ask. Then you can convert this into canonical form. This is a standard form. You can convert into sum of min terms form. Then you may write one expression sigma m of all those min terms. Then that one you can simplify using K-map. Okay, you can convert this into standard SOP and or standard to canonical or canonical to standard. Then from that you may write sigma m is equal to some min terms. Okay, from that you can simplify using K-map. Okay, this is also one of the another method. First we can simplify this first, then write down min terms. After that same procedure. Okay, practice more example, then you can get some clarification regarding K-map. Thank you.